Mr. Wheezer. Why? Surprised? Yes, I suppose you would be. But the best surprise is still to come. Tell Carl I'm sorry. I'm sorry too. Carl Wheezer, there's something I have to tell you. I know, Carl. You don't have to say. Yep, that's my life. Complicated. Oh, looks like you're done now. Why don't you go outside and play? Little faggot.